Go! Okay, you put...
Okay, steady.
Sige, Ken. Mamaya ano?
Mamaya. Ken, mamaya, mamaya.
Oh, you open the lid. Oh, wow! Okay, close the lid. Oh, you can put the apple there, oh. Anak ko, you know, yun, huwag mo ilagay yung finger mo. Yung apple lang, pwede ilagay. Oh, sige. One at a time, anak. Si Ken daw. Galing talaga ng mga buknoy na yan. Nag-juice na yung mga buknoy namin.
Oh, really, Ken?
Oh, pwede ko. Oh, dahan-dahan na. Close mo na, close. Oops. Open the lid, kuya. Dahan-dahan. Close. Apples. Nagpipurify sila ng apples. Ikaw nga, Kenrich. Apples.
Apples. Oh, okay, Ken. Close.
Mamaya, pipino naman and celery. For now, it's apples. Oh, Kenrich. Not yet. Close mo muna yung lid. Kuya, put apples pa. Wala na?
Wala
Oh,
na.
turn off na. Turn off na.
Wait.
Turn off na. There's no apple na.
Okay.
Oh, you don't put your hands there, okay? Ayan. Oh, yan na yung purified. Apples. Ikaw nga, Kenrich.
Verified.
Apples. Ikaw nga, Ken. Apple. Ikaw nga. Ken. Apple. Ken. Apple. Oh, sige. Lagay na yung cucumber.
Okay.
Open the lid, kuya. Open the lid.
Oh, okay.
Go!
Oh.
Cucumber. Ikaw nga.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. In Tagalog, pipino. Ikaw nga.
Pipino.
Ikaw nga, Kenrich. Pipino. Kenrich. Pipino. Okay, that's over na.
Okay.
Close the lid.
Close the lid. Open it.
Turn on.
Turn on.
Where's the bowl? You put the bowl.
Wait.
Bigyan mo si Ken. You don't need to shout. Oh, put the celery na after the cucumber.
Okay, this celery.
Dahan-dahan, anak. Cucumber and then celery. Okay.
Okay. Daan.
Dahan, Kuya Rafa.
One,
Bigyan mo si Kenrich na ilalagay. Tama na, Kuya. Si Kenrich na. Si Ken na. Si Ken. Okay? Very good. Okay. Ang galing ni Ken. Nag-open na ng lid. Ang galing
Wala. Mami, malaki na.
Close your mouth muna. Hayaan mo lang yan, anak. Open the lid na. Open the lid.
No, wait. Ken, wait.
Dahan-dahan yung pag-open ng lid.
No. Dito, Ah.
Oo. Careful.
Michael, video!
Diyan na pupunta sa likod yung mga impurities.
Kailan itong gamit?
Not yet. Nag-juice kami. Pure vegetables. Turn on, anak.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Pure cucumber.
Hey,
Fresh.
Ken, you can see that.
Fresh cucumber. Fresh spinach. Not spinach pala. Celery.
Oh my God. She's eating the cucumber.
He is eating the cucumber and celery juice. Cucumber celery juice. That one is apple juice. Not yet, Kenrich. Not yet, Ken. Oh, tapos na yung apple juice. Ito yung cucumber and celery juice. Yay! Smile muna kay Kenrich. Paano yung poging Kenrich? Talaga namang napaka-pogi. Oh, no more na, kuya. Turn off na. No more celery there. Oh, patay na, patay. Say bye-bye. Say hello. Say bye-bye na. Thank you for
Next time.
Thank you for watching, kuya.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Like,
Bye.
like, share, and subscribe. Say bye-bye, Kenrich. Bye-bye. Ang galing nga, marunong na magbabala. O, tikman na yung juice. Go, tikim. Bakit nanginig si Kenrich? That's apple juice, Kenrich. Yummy? Uy, gusto niya. Ubus mo. Rafael, ubus mo yung apple juice. Yummy. Yummy apple juice, kuya. O, ubus na the apple juice. Paano yung thumbs up na apple juice? Oh, Kenrich, paano yung thumbs up? Ken? Thumbs up. Paano yung thumbs up? Ken, paano yung thumbs up? Thumbs up, kuya. Ken, paano thumbs up? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Eto. Yummy? Apple? O, drink na, drink. Tikim. Apple, celery, and cucumber. Apple, celery, cucumber juice. Ayaw mo, Ken? Ayaw. Ha? Hindi sarap? Juice! Ikaw nga! Juice! Ikaw nga! Juice! Oh, tikim dali, tikim! Tikim mo, anak, tikim! Tikim mo muna, tikim. Oh, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye muna. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye muna. Say bye-bye. Oh, ayun. Inom mo muna yan. Ay, hindi babalik dyan. apple, cucumber, celery juice. Open natin. Oh, hindi yan. So, yun. Medyo iba lang ang kulay niya. Yay! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye na, kuya.
Bye-bye.
Go there.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Ito, yung purity.